Hello, everybody. This is me, Dexter. Here's my brother, Lando. And here's my baby brother. Say hi. Say hi, Jojo.
Go.
Alright, today I'm going to show you my comics. My comic I made. It was the first comic I made. Now I'm making a reboot of it. This is the reboot, the new one. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's right here. So, here's my baby brother again. Say sup. Say sup. I'm just gonna talk about my comic. It follows a dog. It's about a dog. About a dog. The dog right here. His leg got ripped off and replaced with a robo leg. That's why the name is Robo Dog. And I think I'm gonna continue it. If you guys watch this video, some of you will. I don't know. But so about my comic, it's these things called experiments in there. Here's one of them on the front page. I'm not going to give that one away, but I can give this one away since it's already on the page right here. Page 1. Dog saying roof. Robo Dog saying roof. His real name. And the comic is Jax. Here's Dave, the owner. Dave is saying, let's us get dog food. Who is this? And I do not know who this person is. I just came up with him. Now they're going to Target to get the dog food. Target. Yeah, Target. And then there's the same guy showing up. I don't think you guys see him in the window. I think you guys see him in the window. Here's Dave in the store saying yuck because those juices right there. The juice right here says juice. The juice right there. He's saying yuck because it's Brussels sprout flavor. This is all the brands of Brussels sprouts. The zigzag. This one right here. The fire dot. The line drop. The side drop. The plain one. And the flaming one. Thank you. Here's my baby brother again. So this is about